As we kickstart the earnings season next week, large cap IT companies will be the first set of companies that will be reporting their numbers next week as always. Now for IT companies this time around, outlook on the way forward will be more important than the numbers. Revenue is expected to be strong across the board. Infosys is expected to report the best revenue growth at about 5.6% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, whereas TechM is expected to report the weakest revenue growth at about 2% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. As far as margins are concerned, we are expecting a sequential improvement on the margin across the board. In fact, as far as margins are concerned, TCS is expected to report highest margin expansion of about 100 basis points on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Keep an eye out on Infosys as well. Perhaps the company could announce a buyback along with their numbers next week. In terms of commentary to watch out for, any caution on the demand environment, deal win momentum, and whether attrition has peaked out or not will be important to watch out for along with earnings next week. Apart from these IT companies, we have Shree Cement, which will be reporting its numbers. Seasonality is expected to impact Shree Cement's numbers. Volumes are expected to decline for Shree Cement. In fact, realizations are expected to decline due to lower prices, and EBITDA per ton also could take a hit this quarter due to higher cost. Apart from this, we also have Bajaj Auto, which will be reporting its numbers. Revenues are expected to grow by about 20% on a quarter-on-quarter basis for Bajaj Auto. However, despite the revenue growth, EBITDA margins are expected to remain flat due to lagged impact of inflation on auto companies.